Well, everyone, JoJo and I have arrived. He's here. Well, he's confused. He's like, who are you talking to? We're here. We have electricity. I tried to give him some food. He didn't want any yet, just some water. I would like some food for myself, but I can't get this pantry cabinet opened. There we go. I can just have some snacks because I'm too tired to get anything else. Oh God, there's cookies. There's coffee and sugar cubes, and I can have coffee in the morning. Thank you, past me, for leaving some food in here. Because that's when I get here, first thing, all I care about is, do we have any food?
Salut, I'm Patrick.
And I'm Beth.
We're fixing up an old townhouse in the Loire Valley of France, uncovering history and trying to solve mysteries.
We're creating our home in a space for art workshops. Come on along. Good boy. Good boy. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. You like our new house? You like our new house? It's kind of crazy right now, but it's gonna be pretty. JoJo, come on. Come here. Let's go look around. Come on. Let's go inside. Oh, are you back to your old self? Those drugs were off? Yeah, you look more normal now. I'm so out of it, and everything is filthy. Everything is moldy because we didn't leave the heat on high enough, and there's not enough airflow, so lesson learned there. Get some fans and get some airflow going. Y'all, I was about to dig into this granola bar. I glanced up and saw moldy wooden spoons. Mold. Oh my God. And I just realized this is mold on the tile, I think, not dirt. I think that's mold. Oh my God. Oh my God. Looks like I got a lot of cleaning to do tomorrow. How dirty is it in here? Well, it looks more normal in here. Oh, JoJo's making himself at home on a dirty rug. Well, I really need to vacuum that, buddy. But you don't care. One thing I've been worried about is, are my clothes ruined? And they seem fine. So that is good. Bedding seems fine. I'm gonna choose to believe that Patrick left it crooked like that, and not some other visitor. Like a ghost or something. Ah, there's my compression socks. I looked all over our house in Austin for those so I could wear them on the plane, but they were here. Oh gosh, you guys, it was a long day. Guest room looks normal. Yeah. Okay. Oh yeah. So right before we left, we did some brocante shopping, and I didn't even get a chance to film it or anything because we left so quickly. I got this cool drawing. I love this. It's a pencil drawing of a guy with a pipe and nice kind of short and spiky hair. JoJo, come back. Come here. And I also got this. So nothing up here is moldy. So it's just seems to be the downstairs. I got this cool pastel. Love it. Love it. I got two of those little alabaster lamps. That's one. I'm not sure where the other one is. There's a bunch of stuff wrapped up in there. We'll open that tomorrow. And I got a pretty tablecloth. It's like a 1920s yellow tablecloth. It's really pretty. Let's see what it's like in here. In the fancy bedroom, which was the room that we had set up to be like our sitting room. The TV's in here. Because the downstairs is not finished. Oh yeah, there's a tripod we were looking for in Austin as well. And everything up here looks normal. And nothing is moldy up here, so that's nice. That's nice. What is this? Oh yeah, I forgot I got this painting too. This was in the I mean, it's not a painting. It's oh my god. What is it called? It's not is it cross stitch? No, it's not cross stitch. Anyway, it's stitching. It's a little scene with a bridge. Some people. It was in the it was like in the $1, everything $1 room. Or $2 or something like that. €2, very cheap, and I thought it was cute. I mean, look, it has a little bridge and a little castle and a guy on a horse and then some other people down at the river. How cute is that? And luckily that one didn't get molded either. But this all looks okay, looks good. I'm not going into the attic right now by myself. I don't like doing that. Maybe JoJo and I will venture up there tomorrow. Are the towels moldy? No, they look nice and clean. Yay. What do you think, JoJo? What do you think of this house? What do you think of this wacky old house? And Patrick got this. Oh, hi. Patrick got this blue chair to use as a desk chair in his office. It needs a little cleaning up. but it's a cool chair. And I still want to figure out a cool way to save this wallpaper. I have an idea, and I just have to start sourcing the materials and see if it's gonna work. The same as we left it. Yep. Same as we left it. Our neo-Gothic library with the crazy window. Nothing new in here. This was about the time I realized that the house wasn't getting any warmer. There was no natural gas. This meant, once again, no hot water, but this time there also wasn't any heat. Oh, you're still shivering? Okay, let's go make some tea and then we'll come back and get under the covers. Not a glamorous first night, but I'm in France. JoJo, what'd you get? Did you get a new little bed? Yeah. It looks like a fur coat. It matches you. Hey JoJo, do you wanna... What? I didn't ask you yet. Hey, do you wanna go for a walk? What? You do? You do? I thought you were too tired. You do? You do? Okay, let's go for a walk. Okay, let's go. Is that your new bed? And your new dog bowls? The inaugural use of our new oven. I was gonna make a soup, but now I'm too tired and I'm just making a frozen pizza. Looking good. Oven works great. The timer has a beep that JoJo does not like though, right? You don't like that beep. I had a recipe, an American recipe, so I didn't quite have all the right ingredients, and I had to convert all the measurements. So that was fun, and I just ended up improvising a lot. But it's really good. It's called Cozy Autumn Soup. Chicken broth and some of this this cream, which I think the little cartons are so cute. And brown rice, mushrooms, sweet potato, and carrots. And then a bunch of seasonings. It called for Old Bay seasoning, which they don't carry at my corner grocery here. So I found like a copycat recipe online and just kind of improvised. Yeah, very good. A little more of this, like, it's like a light cream. Of course, I'm using a little spoon because all my wooden spoons are moldy and haven't cleaned any of that out yet. I mean, I'm gonna throw the wooden spoons away, but there is so much cleaning to do. And JoJo and I just wanted to have fun, right? Also, we were very jet lagged, both of us. That's pretty good. I'm going to add a little bit more spices and serve it up. And there it is. Le dîner est prêt.
Le dîner est prêt.
Le dîner est prêt.
Le dîner est prêt.
Prêt. I don't know. Dinner's ready. I'll leave you with a peek at some of my latest vintage finds. And oh my gosh, have I got some fabulous furniture arriving next week. So be sure you're subscribed and hit that little bell to turn on your notifications. See y'all soon.